Guys, I got my delivery, so I want to open it in live. Hello, hello. It's from Nykaa. Now let's open it. Hello, hi Homa, hi Savo. I got from Nykaa. Nykaa sale is going on, that's why I ordered some of the makeup. I bought from Nykaa my makeup and makeup things, and it is sale is going on, so let's open it. Let me see how can I open it first. I think I open now. Hello, hello. Guys, please don't forget to like my live. Thank you. These are all items which I ordered. One by one. I will open them one by one. What is this? This one is my... Oh, this one they give it to me free. Makeup tint. They give it free. It's not this much big, if you say very small, but they give it free. And inside it's not this much. It's makeup tint. Okay, one is this one. The one I bought eyebrow pencil, brown, from Nykaa. If you are buying outside this one, for example 100 rupees, in Nykaa sell 50 rupees. One I bought, this is eyeliner. This one I bought it 70 rupees. When you put you install the Nykaa app in your phone, just touch on the live sale, then you can buy these things, you can purchase these things. This is also eyeliner. I will open it. Just I open, then I will unbox them. This one also concealer, I bought it. One concealer. So now I will open all of them. This one is oil controller, I think. Yes. This one. I bought it. I will open them, just wait a minute. I will open all of them. This one is my foundation. Homa, you were asking which foundation I am using. This is my foundation. You can see. This is my foundation. If you are asking which one I am using. And then this is my kajal. I used a lot of kajal, but this is best kajal. This one I bought it in sale 50 or 60 rupees. From Nykaa app. So this one you have seen, which is on my skin. So I will not unbox it just because it's packed. So it's whatever on my skin. This one I am using is 115 number. And then this one also is my eyebrow, which I am using right now. Eyebrow pencil. Right now I wore it, you can see. And this concealer, I want to open it. This one, first time I am using Swiss Beauty. Before that I was using Fit Me concealer. This is Swiss Beauty, first time I am going to use, so I will see how it is. I am thinking little bit is dark, but let's see. Yes, maybe I return, this is little dark, but under eyes should be lighter, I think. Let's see, maybe I return this one, and then this one I think I will return it. This one also is tint. Oops. You can see it's liquid and very less inside it because it's free gift, that's why. That's why whom I will return. This one is very dark, you can see, very dark. But can you see this one? Let I show you. I think it is darker. I will change it. It's dark. And then this one I use. This one I use it little darker because if you use little light then use on your cheeks darker, it's looking good. For summer it little bit make your cheeks darker, it look good. I did mistake, I have to give this one back. It's dark, very dark. And this is my kajal. This is also kajal. I will check it, Sabo. Maybe I can exchange it, but the lighter number only was 115. They don't have more, which is dark to my skin. I think I have to return it. This is also kajal. This is best kajal. So this one also, it is my pencil. Let I open it. This is also my eyebrow pencil. These things are good. These and this one. But under eyes should be little lighter. This is very much dark. Let me open it one time, you see it's dark. You can see it's dark. I will see. Let's see. Let's see. This one is okay. I like it. This one also okay. And let's open this one. Guys, please don't forget to like my live. Thank you. They don't have one number lighter. They have darker. Lighter was this one, 115. I think. No, no, lighter was 13. This one. I think I have to buy like 12 or 10, which they don't have. This one also. It's black. Can you see? So I am happy with this one, and these two. This I will try it and I will tell I will return it or not. But I think 15% I will return it because it's little darker than my skin. Let's see. Actually, I was not using Swiss Beauty, so I don't know. I am using Fit Me, Maybelline, this stuff. I don't know about this Swiss Beauty. Maybe I will change it. Let's see, return it. Yes, it is waterproof, Mama. Yes. It's Mars. Mars is waterproof. This stuff in Nykaa sale is so much cheaper than if you buy from shop or Flipkart or this stuff. Maybe. But this one, let I tell to you how much I bought it. Let I see how much I bought it. It's in my phone, but I will tell you. Let me check the bill. What is the name of this Swiss Beauty? I will see. I have to try it. This one I bought it around here. Original price is $250. I bought it $180 in sale. So I will check it. If it's good, I will keep. If not, then return it. Guys, please don't forget to like my live. Thank you. This one they give as a gift, but inside is just little bit, maybe 2 drops. It's empty. Yes, exactly. So let's see, I will use it. If I don't like, I will return. But maybe I return this one. I'm thinking it will make more dark under eyes. I will check it now. But Nykaa has one thing good, they are delivering within 2 days, sometime 1 day. This thing is good in Nykaa. And sale is going on. You can buy this one, good price. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my live. Please subscribe my channel and see you next live. Bye.